Hi, my name is Marcelo Ciro. I am a sound designer and a re-recording mixer partner of We Can Do Audio Post. And today I will show you a very simple way to cut some pops and some noise using only time stretch. First, let's hear our problem.
Presentation and just judging by presentation and just judging by
So let's scrub with the speaker tool to find where is our problem. Here it is. Now I will insert a cut and delete the noise. With the time stretch tool, I stretch the audio to fill in this empty space. It's very simple, but works. I will put a crossfade and let's listen. I hope you enjoy and follow us in wcdaudio.com.
presentation and just judging by presentation and just judging